how to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and on the bottom part, you'll see five different options there, right? You'll see updates, calls, communities, chats, and then settings. So tap on that gear icon, and here you will be led to your settings area. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is on the third section, you will see account privacy, chats, notifications, and storage and data, right? So since we want to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the chats here. Now under chats, you will then see here chat backup. Click on chat backup, and then here you will see on the very last option here, you'll see end-to-end encrypted backup, and as you can see, it's currently turned on. So since you want to remove it, so we have to turn that off, and basically you just have to input your password there and then confirm turn off and then tap on done. And as you can see, we have now successfully turned off or removed end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.